In this video, I'll show you how to use smart objects in Photoshop or photopea to easily create beautiful mockups of your designs. It's really easy and I'll show you how quickly you can do it. So you'll see over here, there are 2 layers, and what you want to do is find the one that says double click to edit. You can also tell that it's the smart object because it has this little icon here in the corner. So when you double click it, it opens up a new window, and this is the area where you need to add your artwork. So you drag your artwork in and you can resize it if need be. So now that your artwork has been added to the smart object, you can say File, Save, or press Command S to save your smart object. Then all you need to do is close that window, and that brings you back to the original file, showing that your mockup is now ready and your artwork is now in place. It's so easy because now all I need to do to create another mockup is go back in again and I can add another piece of art. And so now I can create more just by repeating that process. And now you can see I've easily created another mockup. So each time that you want to create one, you can say export and save it as a PNG and then come back to this and change the artwork again. So it really is that simple. And this also works in photopea, which is a web-based alternative to Photoshop. So if you don't have Photoshop and you don't want to download any software, you can just go to photopea. I'll link it below. And these same steps work for any mockups that use smart objects. So now that you've learned this, you can create beautiful mockups of all sorts of different products using exactly this same process. So if you're interested in all the other things that you can create mockups of, there's a link below to all of the mockups that I currently have for sale, plus a discount code. And if you have any other questions about how to use smart objects, leave a comment below and I can answer them in my next video.